So how to recover lost access to Roblox Authenticator app. It's really easy and simple. Let's say you just come on Roblox first on your homepage or your login page. It doesn't really matter. What we need first is to go to roblox.com/support. Okay, guys. So you just type in here /support. Roblox.com/support, guys. Okay. Now, when we come to this page, what you need to do is either they're going to prompt you to put in your date of birth. If you haven't logged in, you can just put in your date of birth. But in this case, I was already logged in, so they just gave me a contact form to fill. Okay, so first name, really optional, doesn't really matter. This is the most important, guys. Put in your username. You need to put in your username the exact same as your Roblox account. Because, look, I know it says they're optional, but it depends on what kind of issue you're having. For some issues, it's optional. You don't need your username, but this one you need to have your username, guys. It's really important. And then the other important thing is your email address. You want to have the same email address here that was linked to your Roblox account. This is also very, very important, guys. Next, what device are you having the problem on? You can just put any device you're having your problem on, maybe in PC. The type of help category, okay? Here, this is also very important. You need to choose the correct one. Otherwise, you're not going to get help. We want you to choose account hacked or can't log in. Choose this option right here. And then we're going to get another drop down menu. Click on two-step verification because we're having problem with our authenticator app, okay? We're not been hacked or anything. So just choose two-step verification and then they're going to ask you to describe the issue that you're having. So what I want you to type here is simply just kindly assist. I have lost access to my Roblox Authenticator app and am unable to get codes. Kindly assist. And what's going to happen is Roblox is going to reach out to you, Roblox support, via email within a few days or within a week. Usually, they reach out to you and they assist you with your issue. They're going to help you out. So, if this video helps, make sure you like, comment, and if you want, you can always subscribe. We're going to have a lot more Roblox videos coming up, so make sure you subscribe.